Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to solve one of the most annoying issues, that is Spotify keeps crashing on Android device. Many users have complained about this issue, thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. So, without wasting any further time, let's start the video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix Spotify app keeps crashing on Android with 6 best fixes. Solution 1. Restart your Android device. Sometimes just by restarting your device can solve the issue. So, why not try this once? To restart your device, on your phone, press and hold the power button until a menu appears. Select Restart. Wait for the device to restart. After that, try to connect with the app again. It may solve your Spotify app keeps crashing problem. Solution 2. Clear Spotify cache and data. Whenever you come across app crashing or freezing issues on your phone, then once you should clear cache and data of that particular app. The same thing goes for Spotify as well. For this, you have to navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications. Here you will see all apps and find the Spotify. On the Apps page, choose Storage, and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. Solution 3. Update Spotify app. Sometimes an outdated version of Spotify app can cause a problem. You should check for the latest updates when you run into trouble. In order to do so, you have to open the Play Store. Next, click on the profile icon and select the option Manage Apps and Devices. Now under the Updates section, find the Spotify and check for any updates available. If found, tap the Update button to update it. Once updated, open the app, which pops you this error message, and launch it again to check for the problem. Solution 4. Uninstall and reinstall Spotify app. When you're using your Spotify app, the more you use it, the more bits of data and files will be on your device. Over time and through phone and app updates, things tend to get a bit messy and links can break, and files can go missing, which causes a Spotify not responding bug. To give yourself a clean start, you can reinstall the app from the Google Play Store, giving you a fresh installation to start again while clearing any potential bugs you may have been experiencing. To uninstall the app, find the Spotify app on your device's home screen and long press on it, then tap Uninstall option. Now follow the steps to install Spotify app. Go to Google Play Store and type Spotify in search box. Click on Spotify and then on Install option. To proceed further, click on Accept after reviewing the app permission. Now open the app and see whether Spotify app keeps crashing on Android issue is occurring or not. Solution 5. Factory reset your phone. The last solution to fix this issue is factory resetting your phone. However, doing this will wipe out all data on your phone. So, make sure to create backup of your phone's data before doing this. In order to do this, open the Settings, then go to the System, and click on the Backup and Reset. At this time, tap on the Erase All Data option. Finally, click on the Delete All Data button. After doing this, restart your phone. Now, check if the Spotify app keeps crashing problem is resolved. Solution 6. Use Android Repair Tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve Spotify crashing Android auto issue, then there is no better option than using the Android Repair Tool. It will help you to fix Spotify crashing on phone, along with fixing many other apps errors and issues, such as the Snapchat keeps crashing, WhatsApp keeps crashing, black or blue screen of death error, and many more. So, I will highly recommend you to use this tool to fix this problem. If you want to try this software, Then click on the link given in the description box below. So, this is all about fixing Snapchat keep stopping issue. I hope these solutions will help you in resolving the problem. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users facing the same problem, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.